Hey there, this is Sarah, and today is going to be a little bit different video. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog and showing my apartment in Belgrade. So this is not my normal programming on my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Sarah and I normally do Eat with Sarah. But today I'm going to be showing you, as I said before, my apartment in Belgrade. So we are currently in my own office, like my room. I have a nice view out there. Pretty standard office. So the apartment came with the couch, which is nice. Here we have a little tunnel I made for my two kittens. And here we have my desk set up right over there. So here we're going to walk to the kitchen so you can see what's in there. Kitchens in Serbia are relatively small, so for any Americans watching, it's going to appear a bit small. I do wish it was a little bit bigger because I love to cook, I love to eat, hence that's why I eat with Sarah, but this is it. Here is the kitchen table, and then we have the fridge, blender, microwave. And then over here we have cooking, so stove, electric kettle, wooden cutting board, etc. Walking to the bedroom. Here we have bed, decent sized bed. Luckily it did come with that as well. And we were fortunate enough to have a big TV, me and my husband. And then I'll show you a quick peek of his office, and then we'll see the little kittens. Say hello. Hello. So his station, he has similar office setup as me. He has a stand, but it's the same desk. And then the kitten's room. So this is a relatively big apartment for Belgrade. We are fortunate enough to live in Beograd, so downtown Belgrade. We are paying 400 euros a month for this 3-bedroom apartment, which is pretty good. It was a good find. So I'm not really one to vlog. I normally outline my videos, so this is kind of new to me. My overall experience in Belgrade has been pretty good. I sort of have a weekly schedule. Just ignore the cats playing in the background. I enjoy living in Belgrade. It's getting a little cold because it is October, mid-October. The seasons are definitely starting to change. It's getting colder, need a jacket, and it's getting a little bit more dreary, so more rain, more overcast compared to late summer, midsummer when I arrived. I arrived in July, and then it'll continue to get colder, and then it's going to snow in either December or January. I did move here because I wanted the variety of seasons, but I'm not really prepared for the season. I haven't lived in a cold place for a while. I like Belgrade, the prices are great, and I'm not too far from the market. I shop at the market all the time. Also, the grocery prices are great. Overall, I think Belgrade is a great city. One thing that has been a little bit frustrating, not just about Belgrade, but the whole situation, is that due to coronavirus, I want to keep myself safe, and so I haven't been socializing like I would like to, but I just don't know if the cases online are actually being reported correctly. You don't see a lot of people outside who are socializing wearing masks, and just not a whole lot of preventative measures. Even at the market, you might maybe see half the people wearing masks, and it would make me more comfortable to see more people wearing masks. So that's one downside of being in Belgrade, or most places in the world right now, is that we are avoiding socializing. This is my cat playing with a tiger, or it was supposed to be a tiger, and now it's just destroyed. It's her favorite toy, absolutely favorite toy. I came to live in Belgrade after a difficult decision in Argentina, so I did not come to live in Belgrade. This is not my first time outside the US. I've been living outside the US for almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years in December. And I am financially independent, so I don't necessarily have a job, although I am doing this YouTube because I'm really passionate about it and I want to create something that I love. And so after I sort of like retired from my life and my job in the US, I went to go live in Portugal. It wasn't quite right for me and my husband for various reasons. We tried out a few other places. We traveled a bit at that time, and we tried out Mexico. When COVID hit earlier this year, we were in Argentina after like a terrible experience in Argentina, mainly due to COVID. We decided to get out, and so as residents of Portugal still, legally, we escaped to Portugal, and in Portugal we made the decision to set up in Serbia. So that is the shortish version of how we came to set up in Serbia, and part of the reason that we're setting up in Serbia is because we still want to continue to travel. So the low cost of living is very attractive. It means that we have less money going towards an apartment that's just sitting open. When we do travel, it is connected to a lot of different countries. It borders a lot of different countries: Romania, Hungary, Bulgaria, Albania, Croatia, Montenegro, and then it's well connected to a lot of travel hubs as well. So Istanbul, Dubai, I believe, and it's also connected to London, all these nonstop. So that's some of the reasons that we set up in Belgrade. That is how we ended up in Belgrade, and I'm looking forward to experiencing more of Belgrade, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you more as I continue to post, and I'm excited for the future. Leave your comments below if you have any personal or professional comments for me. If they're not too personal, I will answer them to the extent that I can. Thanks for watching this short video of my vlog and apartment tour and a short introduction to my little kittens. Their names are Nairobi and Zoe. And please subscribe to this channel if you want more vlogs like this, if you want more Eat with Sarah videos, and I'd appreciate a like on this video if you enjoy the content. See you next time. Bye.